ka NEHUSU bat ka KSU-NEHU unit menta ka sngi gila shimi ka rai ban sang eno ki jing Shah Thngan klembu por hadin ka jing kerpat na ki nong hikai bat ki nong hikai teaching staff jong ka ne ka school ba ya ka ne ka rai la shim ha ka sngi ka bakhan rew jong jing Shah Thngan ka klembu por hadin ka jing yalang hapdeng ka NEHUSU NEHUTA ka KSU-NEHU unit ha ka jing don lang u vice chancellor in charge u professor N Saha haba pen benai ka ne ka rai na kaliang president ka NEHUSU u Sandi Sotun u la ong baya ka ne ka rai la shim kat kum ka jing ai jing mut jong ki doctor Henry u Sandi Sotun u la maham bakin salet ting e biang e jing Shah Thngan ne ki wei pat ki rukom Pynkhihwin la da ka tanat pule puthi jong ka sarkar pedeng kamla ban le e da ka ba weng kam no ya u vice chancellor u professor Prabha Shankar Shukla.
In consideration of the requests from the teachers, from the staffs, and even from the doctor, and based on the medical advice, we have seen that the health of our students, the members who have been starving for 16 days, the health has been deteriorating. So we, the KSU-NEHUSU unit, or KSU-NEHU unit and the NEHUSU have decided that we will temporarily suspend this hunger strike. However, this does not signify that we will end the agitation, but we will continue the protest during the weekdays from 9 to 5, and we will not move from this place until and unless our demands will be fulfilled. And also I would like to thank the community members who have been here from day one, and also I would like to say that it is quite hard to be a leader. I feel like crying, tears feels like coming out from my eyes from day to day, seeing the members going to the hospital and getting the drips from time to time, from day to day. It really breaks my heart, I'll tell you, my friends.